Bonjour à tous! Today we are going to have a look at another very common French verb, that is aller. That means to go. Aller. Now, even though it is one of the ER ending verbs, but still the conjugation is not going to be in the similar pattern. This is amongst the irregular ER ending verbs. Thus, you will have to memorize the conjugation of this. So let's have a look at the conjugation. By now, I am guessing that you must be aware of what are the subject pronouns. If not, then let's quickly go through the subject pronouns. The subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, and elle. So the difference between tu and vous. The difference between tu and vous is tu is the informal way of saying you and vous is the formal way of saying you. And whereas the difference between on and nous is on is usually used in the spoken French, whereas nous is used in the written French. Okay, so the meaning of the verb aller is to go. So in English it is going to be I go, you go, he goes, she goes, we go, you go, and they go. So for saying I go in French, we are going to say je vais. Je vais. So this verb aller that gets converted into V-A-I-S, vais. Je vais. Tu vas, that is you go. Tu vas. Il va, elle va, on va. That is, he goes, she goes, and we go. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Alright? So once again, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, and elles vont. Great. Now let's go through few examples. So if I have to say I go to the mall, it's going to be je vais au centre commercial. Okay, so the conjugation of aller along with the subject pronoun je is vais. Thus it's going to be je vais. You go to the school. Tu vas à l'école. He goes to the park. Il va au parc. She goes to the museum. Elle va au musée. We go to the theatre. On va au théâtre. We go to the library. Nous allons à la bibliothèque. You go to the cafe. Vous allez au café. They go to the university. Ils vont à la université. They go to the bakery. Elles vont à la boulangerie. Alright. So just in case if you are confused that how we have placed these different articles over here, for example, AU, in case of centre commercial, tu vas à l'école, so why à l'école? Il va au parc, so why AU? Elle va au musée, so why AU over there? Then on va au théâtre, so why AU over there? Then I would suggest you to click on the link above and check out the video and see why we have used this different article. These are known as contractive articles in French. Alright, so I guess this video was clear to you all. I guess you have understood by now that what is the conjugation of the verb aller in French. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. Merci, à bientôt!